Why are you fighting?
I'm not fighting. I'm asking you.
What are you asking?
You can hear what I'm asking you, Mos.
But baby, 30 minutes.
No,
it's nothing,
no,
Mos.
I need you next to me. That's what I need.
But I must drive, Mos.
No, you're gonna drive. 30 minutes is nothing.
But Mos,
You can be in the toilet for that 30 minutes.
But baby, listen.
No, I'm not gonna listen, Boosie. You are unfair. You are unfair. Every time we have to leave each other like this. It's not right.
No, baby,
No,
listen.
no, I'm not gonna listen. I'm not, honestly not gonna listen. All I'm asking you is for 30 minutes to
But
spend
30
next to me. No buts. No buts.
But baby, 30 minutes, Mos. So it's 30 minutes is nothing, Mos.
And then?
So why can't you wait for me until I
No,
come
I'm
back?
not gonna wait until you come back. Never. I'm not gonna wait.
So now I must stop the truck here.
Yes, you can stop.
Ah, man, baby,
No,
please,
you're
just
gonna
be
stop,
patient.
Boosie. You're gonna stop.
But baby,
No buts. No. No.
baby, listen to me.
No, I'm not gonna listen to you, Boosie. You're gonna listen to me. And you're gonna give me what I want.
What do you want?
Because I have to wait to answer. No, I'm not laughing. It's not funny.
What do you
It's
want,
not
baby?